आमचे गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांकां तांच्या वाडदिवसाच्या निमित्यान हुनहुनीत परबी. दोतोर, बेस्ट विशीज ऑन युअर बर्थडे. What to say about this gentleman? A person who understands everything, still has the time to listen. The best quality about Dotor, I feel, is that despite the fact that he has knowledge about governance, about man management, everything, पूण सदांच लोकांचें आयकुपाक तयार असतात. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इंडस्ट्री आय कॅन टेल यू, आमी खूब जेन्ना प्रॉब्लेम तांचे कडेन घेवन वतात, ऑलवेज ही हॅज गिवन अस अ व्हेरी व्हेरी गूड इयर. आमचे सदांच प्रॉब्लेम आयकून घेतात. जर 10 प्रॉब्लेम दिले, 5 सॉल्व जातात, 5 जायनात. बट वॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इज की उरलेले जे 5 जावंक ना, देर वॉज अ ट्राय टू सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑल्सो. During his tenure, I think a lot of things have changed in Goa. Ease of doing business has improved. Our infrastructure has improved because of the focus of the government. And also, we have to compliment the fact that this government has been able to represent to the central government the correct picture so that amka central kadan funding yeta. We have a lot of more expectations from you, Dr. We look forward to your continued leading Goa and taking us to greater heights. Here is wishing you once again a very, very happy birthday with a very, very healthy life and with the same cool mind that you have shown all these years. Best wishes.